What's the word, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Y'all excuse how I look. I'm pretty sure by the thumbnail and the title y'all already know why I'm looking like this. We're getting ready to go on a trip, and it's a super major trip. It's like super exciting. This video is going to consist of us getting ready for this trip, getting our hair done, haircuts, nails, packing, and all that good stuff. I'm looking crazy right now, but by the end of this video, hopefully I look completely different. Right now I am outside a hair school because I made a super impulsive decision to dye my hair before I get ready to get my hair done later on today. And I wanted to do that because originally I was supposed to get a completely different hairstyle, but because I was being so indecisive, I can't get that hairstyle anymore. So I have to get my real hair done. And since I have to get my real hair done, I kind of wanted to spice things up a little bit. I've been wanting to dye my hair for a very long time, but I couldn't because of the job I was working at. And I no longer work there. So I'm like, okay, this is the perfect time for me to do something with my hair, and that's dye it. I wear my real hair and the hairstyle I'm about to get all the time, but if it's a new color, you know, it'll change things up a little bit. But I'm still pretty indecisive. Like, as I'm about to go in, I still don't really know. I kind of want to just do a rinse so that it's not so permanent, because, you know, once I dye my full head, that's it. Like, if I wanted to dye my hair back, I don't know what the process would be, but it won't ever be my natural hair color again, if y'all know what I mean. I think I'm gonna make my final decision based off what the hairstylists tell me in the hair school. So stay tuned, it should be super exciting, and we have so much more content coming up for y'all because we're going on a trip. This is literally about to be like probably like 6 vlogs. And one last thing, my boyfriend Maxwell, he literally has no idea I'm doing this, so y'all gonna see his reaction to me getting this color after it's done. He been wanting me to get my hair dyed. I think since we've been together, I literally haven't had no type of crazy color in my head, like, at all. So stay tuned for his reaction, because that's gonna be very interesting. Like, he gonna be so surprised, and I think he gonna love it. Let's go ahead and head in. I'm talking too much. I'll see y'all when I get in there. Okay, y'all, so this is my hair, and I'm home. Hair is done, and I have my boyfriend here to see if he notices anything different. So, come here, babe. Okay, you can open. Do you notice anything?
Man, I just opened my eyes. Let me look, bro. It looks nice. It's 2-stranded. Mm-hmm. You dyed it?
Yeah, but you could barely see the color.
The whole head?
The whole hair, but no, it's a semi-permanent dye. I started to make an impulsive decision to actually dye my hair like red, but then I'm like, okay, that's, I can't make that decision too fast. Yeah, I was finna like do it like red, like to the point where you bleach it and then put the color over it so it could be real vibrant. Yeah, I mean, even if we wasn't in light, you could barely see it, period. But I want to see if you can notice anything different.
No, I definitely see it's darker.
Yeah, exactly.
It look darker.
But they said it's gonna show more in the sunlight, so that's perfect because we're going on vacation. Yeah. And you're being introduced to the vlog. Are you excited? I didn't tell them what type of vacation it was, or where we're going, or what we're doing, or any of that.
Just know it's gonna be a movie, man. FX. No cap.
Wait.
What happened?
Don't mind my ceiling, y'all.
What happened?
Cause you can see that
little string.
The little water damage, and then I ain't got my ceiling fan in. But yeah, man, so we're going on vacation, and this is a get ready with us, babe. You know that, right?
Yeah.
So yeah,
Part
next.
one, Holly March, me next.
I just wanted to get your reaction to see if, well, not even get your reaction, really just see if you can notice anything different. Thank you, babe.
Yeah.
This is my vacation hair. I really didn't want my real hair done, but
That's what I'm saying. No extensions too.
I know.
What they call it, chef's kiss.
Oh, you like the fact that I didn't get anything
like
done?
Yeah, I like natural.
For real, just my real hair. But yeah, usually when you go on vacation, you know how you want weave just in case you get your hair wet or something. Like I literally can't get my hair wet now. But it's all good in the hood because I probably wasn't gonna be doing that anyway. Why you laughing? That was lame. Can you, babe? I'm still having to show my ceiling. Get over here. Can you like stand right here?
Yeah, we all good in the hood, man. Part 1 of the vlog. Stay tuned for part 2. It's gonna be a little bit of beat up. I need to clean up, shape up. She making me want to make impulsive decisions. Oh.
Yeah, but I will see y'all Friday because I didn't even tell y'all today is Wednesday. But yeah, see y'all Friday. Oh, and also I have plans on taking these out for the trip as well. Like I'm not keeping them in for the whole trip. I got this so it could be wavy. Okay, I'm done rambling. See y'all Friday.
They never had a pretty girl from Joburg to me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel cause I got a chauffeur. First class, how I get around the world. Just miss me with the drama. Unless you come here with
She making me want to make impulsive decisions. It's your boy Max Steve, the Sleeves, man. You know what's going on, man. We're gonna show y'all what I'm getting into today, man. We at Fantastic Sam's, man. They got it, man. They told me to come get my hair colored, come correct. They finna do something. Okay, YouTube. I couldn't decide what color I really wanted. I either wanted like a platinum blonde, or I was finna come like turkey red. You feel me? I'm finna just let it play out. I think we're gonna go with the platinum blonde, see how they cook up, you feel me? Take a good look, Chad. Alright, Chad, I'm in the chair, man. I decided on that red, man. I ain't wanna do the blonde, I decided on that red.
I don't know, something, I guess something
before.
like that.
But the first picture, it was like more bald.
But like, yeah.
Alrighty, family. So,
Immediately no.
So as you
Immediately no.
Alright, let's really break it down for real. I went to the shop thinking I was gonna come in there and get some slightly toned up burgundy on the follicles. But I guess she felt like she needed to bleach my hair to get the color I needed. So,
and that wasn't even necessary because you got light brown hair already.
Simply. So she did not do all that to begin with. But this is the end result.
Yes, this was the end result. And mind y'all, I got my hair dyed Wednesday. He went and got his dyed the next day, Thursday. Friday, he had to work, so he couldn't get his hair fixed Friday. So we had to wait till Saturday. And when Saturday came, none of the hair schools was able to do his hair because like one of them was closed and the other one saying that he had to get some type of test done first. So I had to be the one to fix his hair, and I was so nervous because I don't do hair at all. I don't know really too much, nothing about dyeing hair. So I was nervous that I wasn't gonna be able to fix it right, and we left the next morning. Also, he didn't have a retwist appointment, so he had to hurry up and find somebody to retwist his hair the same day after I fixed it, and it had to all be done before his haircut appointment at 4 o'clock. And so it was just a lot, but we got it done. Also, the only reason this happened with his hair is because he wanted to surprise me with dyeing his hair the same way I wanted to surprise him with dyeing mine. And had he told me that he was going and what his plan was with his hair, I would have told him that it wasn't necessary to get his hair bleached first. But since he doesn't know anything about dyeing hair or hair too much period, he let someone else do it, and he didn't know to stop them. After I fixed his hair by putting a light brown dye over it, his hair came out to be what he wanted in the first place, which is only a tint of like burgundy red. And we actually came out to be twinsies.
The time has come for me to start packing, and I have put every outfit together And every outfit has its shoes and bag it goes with in the jewelry. Now it's time to start packing away everything and putting it inside the suitcase. So I'm about to start that right now. The first thing I'm gonna do is put the jewelry away in Ziploc bags. And the way I'm gonna do it is putting all the bracelets in one Ziploc bag, all the necklaces, all the rings, all the earrings, putting it all in their own separate Ziploc bags. So that way once we get on the trip and the suitcase is off the plane and everything is not tangled, you know, and all messed up inside the bag together. So I'm gonna go ahead and start doing that now. And y'all, I've been watching Love is Blind season 7 while I've been doing all of this. So let me go ahead and start that back. Thank you. Okay, as y'all can see, all of the jewelry is gone. We got the necklaces, we got the ankle bracelets, the rings, the bracelets, the earrings, and here are my sunglasses. I'm about to put all of this together inside this Shein bag. Okay, y'all, the clothes are in the bag, but look at this. Like, nothing else needs to go in here. And I still got shoes, jewelry, bags, and hats to pack. So I'm just gonna have to have probably 2 carry-ons. Mind y'all, we are gonna be gone an entire week, literally from Sunday to Saturday. So this is necessary. Like, I don't even feel like I'm overpacking. But yeah. Okay, so now what's left on my bed is just 2 hats and all of my bags. And then here are all my shoes. Oh, and these 2. Y'all, somehow I'm about to have to fit all of these shoes and bags and hats inside of the suitcase. So let me go ahead and do that now. I was able to fit all of the shoes in, but this is what the suitcase looking like for me to close it. It's so heavy. Shoes right there, and I fit some up here at the top. And so I still have to find somewhere to put all of my bags and these hats right here. Okay, y'all, I'm not quite done, but I'm feeling very accomplished. We got all the clothes and shoes in here, and then we got all my bags and hats and these pair of heels and all my accessories like my jewelry and sunglasses right here still to figure out to pack, and my toiletries and everything. But I'm about to be done for right now because I'm about to get ready and go to the nail shop. So we're going to continue this later. I just had to come on here and show that I just picked up a package, and this package contains some flip-flops I ordered and my airport outfit.
Make a stitch up, I want to in the room. Wanna give D, I serve it like a dealer. You been out there.